You just bought a Fujifilm X camera but don't know which lenses to get. Of course, you want them compact, light, fast, and don't want to spend a lot of money. Well, let's take a look at these. Small, lightweight, and inexpensive, these are the Sirui Sniper autofocus lenses for Fujifilm X cameras. Sirui, I don't know how to pronounce the name of this company, so I'm only going to say it once. You can buy the 23, 33, or 56mm individually, or all three of them in a pack, shipped in this nice case, all offering a f1.2 aperture with no aperture ring. I have to mention that I had pre-production lenses to test, but I was told that they should be very close to the ones you will get. I heard a lot of photographers complaining sometimes about the fact that these Fujifilm lenses, the X-mount original Fujifilm lenses, they are way too sharp, at least for videography, for filmmaking. If that's your case, well, you should take a closer look at these Sniper autofocus X-mount lenses. I am currently filming myself with the Sniper 23mm. I wish I had considered filming more stuff with these lenses before making this video. So maybe I'll consider making a part 2 where I will use these lenses only for video. Tell me if that's something you'd be interested in seeing on this channel. For now, let's take a look at the photos I created with these lenses. Some of them were made in Brussels, others in Toulouse. Tell me what you think. lenses are well built. You can get them in white, black, and silver. They feel great in my hands, and I like the size and weight of them all. I invite you to head to the blog to take a better look at the images. I've noticed a bit of chromatic aberration, a bit of green and purple fringing on my backlit images. And if I had to complain a bit more, I would say that they are a bit soft when you shoot wide open. Bokeh balls lose their round shape as we get closer to the edges. There is kind of a vintage approach with these lenses, so in the end, it all comes down to what you are looking for. Again, if you find Fujifilm lenses a bit too sharp, then these might be for you. It's a matter of taste. I will put the complete behind the scenes videos of both portrait sessions on the blog and on the blog only. So yes, if you are interested in that, consider becoming a premium member. For more information, check out their website. They've been making stuff for photographers and filmmakers for years now, so you might find something useful for your work there. I guess that I will catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and please have a good one.